Hi, my name is Scott Schubert. I'm an executive advisor to Lunit, and I was previously the CEO of GE Healthcare's global X-ray business. My relationship with Lunit began when I was the CEO of GE's global X-ray business, and we were introduced by Lunit to advanced AI technology, and especially because Lunit had won several prestigious competitions in the AI space and showed the highest performance in terms of the clinical performance of their technology. And this was very interesting to me and my X-ray team at GE to evaluate the capabilities of Lunit technology. And so GE Healthcare, the team that I was leading, did our own independent assessment of all the different AI vendors and what their performance was on an independent data set that we had. And Lunit again stood out as the premier AI technology company in the medical imaging space. The first meeting that I had was at the RSNA 2019 to be introduced, of course, to the Lunit technology, but also to the Lunit leadership team. I think what impresses me most with Lunit's leadership team and strategy is that they're a technology company, but they have a very exciting business strategy. And the strategy is to not simply have a point solution for a single AI application, but to address the entire clinical need of what a radiologist or a physician needs to see in a chest X-ray to make a comprehensive diagnosis. So it's a total solution approach to solving the customer's need. And Lunit also was unique to recognize that they can't go it alone. They need partners in the deployment of artificial intelligence technologies. And so Lunit, I think, has been in the lead to develop partnerships with other X-ray companies, including GE. And this is extremely important because AI is not going to be solved or made available worldwide by only one company. It takes a set of partners to make it a reality. My deepest expertise is I've had more than 40 different products that I've launched into the marketplace with over 25 billion of revenue when I was at GE Healthcare. So I have a very good sense of how to translate technology and innovation into the commercial launch and value proposition that customers care about. So I think this is where I add the most value to a technology company like Lunit, to provide guidance about how to commercialize and how to grow the technology to make it clinically useful to customers and how to make that financially successful for the business. The radiologists are the most expensive part of the whole care process, so making them more efficient is good for the overall healthcare system in terms of cost effectiveness of the clinical service process. And what I think is the right strategy that Lunit has developed is to focus on that efficiency of radiology, and then also not just to have what I call a point solution for one clinical indication. Many other AI companies have focused on either lung cancer detection or pneumothorax or stroke. Lunit's vision is much broader, to provide a comprehensive solution, which is exactly what the physicians need, because a point solution can sometimes even detract from workflow. The future of AI is wing to wing to provide that comprehensive solution throughout the whole care pathway. And in particular, AI will be adopted when it provides the same or better clinical accuracy, but when it can especially improve the workflow and the efficiency of the radiologist. So that is when AI will become mainstream and absolutely part of the essential toolkit of radiologists in the future.